Let's be real for a second. People don't wake up one day and suddenly cheat. It builds slowly, quietly, like a small crack in a wall that nobody fixes until the whole thing gives in. Most people never warn you about that part. When a woman cheats, there are signs. Always, it's never smooth, never invisible. Something is already broken underneath. The problem is a lot of guys ignore those cracks. They tell themselves, she's just busy, she's tired, she needs space, she's stressed. But there's always that one thought that won't go away. That feeling in your chest you can't explain yet. You don't say it out loud, because once you do, it becomes real. If you've felt that before, this is for you. Because when someone is unfaithful, they leave tracks behind every time. Let's start with the first one. Her attention changes, even if she says it hasn't. You don't need a psychology degree to feel it. One day she's present, engaged, curious about you. The next day it feels like you're talking to someone who looks like her, but isn't really there. She stops asking about your day. Your jokes don't land anymore. Things she used to remember slip her mind. And when you mention it, she brushes it off. You're overthinking. I'm just exhausted. You're being sensitive. Here's the truth. Most men learn too late. People don't pull away emotionally for no reason. When her feelings shift somewhere else, she pulls back from you. It might be another man. It might be a different life. But your place in her focus is gone. That's the first real crack. Next, she starts guarding small things. Cheating doesn't start in the bedroom. It starts with separation. She used to talk freely about her day. Now everything is vague. Her phone used to sit anywhere. Now it's face down or always in her hand. Online, she looks oddly unattached. Ask about it and suddenly you're controlling, jealous. The problem, what's actually happening, is simple. She's living two versions of herself. One with you, one that's already stepping away. If you feel like you're losing your grip on reality, it's not accidental. That confusion comes from emotional misdirection. Deep down, you already know something's wrong. Third sign, intimacy changes. Sometimes it disappears overnight. She feels distant, rushed, uninterested. Touch becomes mechanical, or it flips the other way. New energy, new moves, an intensity that feels unfamiliar. Both are red flags, because when someone cheats, they don't just share their body, they change what closeness means to them. Either it dries up with you, or it's exaggerated to cover guilt. Afterward, you feel it. Not during, after that hollow space, like you were close but never really connected. That distance leaves a mark. Then come the arguments, the ones that don't make sense. A missed text turns into a full-blown accusation. A small mistake becomes proof you don't care. It's not about the issue, it's displacement. Guilt looks for an outlet. Starting fights create space. Distance feels safer than honesty. She doesn't want to be the villain in her own story. So the story changes. Now you're the reason she feels trapped. Now she's finding herself. That's not strength. That's justification. When someone is halfway out the door, they don't want closeness. They want distance with permission. Don't beg. Don't negotiate. If someone has to lose you to find themselves, they were already gone. Cheating is not a mistake. It's a sequence of choices. It doesn't start with a touch. It starts when emotional ties are cut and never repaired. The signs are always there. Seeing them takes honesty. Walking away takes strength. And here's the truth most people avoid. Anyone who crosses your boundaries once will do it again if you teach them it's allowed. Stay grounded. Stay clear. A man who respects himself does not chase someone who has already left emotionally. Clarity matters. Not to fuel fear, but to stop guessing, to stop questioning your instincts. That's the point.